Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Purity Grace. How you guys doing today? I hope you are doing fine. I want to use this great opportunity to wish all my old subscribers and my new subscribers, and those of you that is here to subscribe, I want to wish you happy new year to all my subscribers. So guys, this is the style we are making today. You can see is a bubu gown. How to cut and sew this bubu gown with a bishop collar, and you know that they add another style to it attached. What they use is ashoke, but this is what we are using today to serve as an ashoke. Everything that you see in that style, that is what we are making today. It's one of my subscribers that needed this style, so I'm making it for her. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, press the notification bell. So let's get started. The full measurement, the full length is 60. You're using everything, and the material that I'm working with 2.5 yards. So this is crepe fabric. So the next thing I'm going to do for this my shoulder, this is my shoulder, I'm going to take the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement is 9 inches. It's 8.5. So I'm using 8.5. So from here, I'm going to take the remaining what I have here. So while the sleeve opening, I'm making use of 12 inches for the sleeve opening. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Let me dress it to the camera. So for the sleeve opening is 12 inches. So from this place where the pocket is going to start from, I will mark 18 inches. So this is where the pocket is going to start from. Then while the neckline from the back, I'm using 1.5 inches for the neckline for the back. Please let me dress it to the camera so that you can see what I'm doing very well. The neckline I'm using for the back, I'm using 1.5 inch. So while the front, I'm using 6 inches. If you look at the style is heavy neck, I'm using 6 inches. While the depth, I'm using 3 inches for the wideness. I hope you can see. I'm using 3 inches. So I'm going to connect all this line together. First of all, I'm going to connect the back line. So this is the back line. I hope you can see. While this is for the front neckline. This is for the front neckline. Then from here, from the shoulder, I'm going to cut down. That is my bust line. So from my shoulder to my bust is 12 inches. So I'm going to draw a straight line. This is 12 inches. Whilst from my shoulder to my waistline, that is 19. From the shoulder to my waist is 19. I'll make use of 19 inches. I hope you can see. That is for the waist. Then I've also drawn a straight line. I know all this one is not necessary, but I'm just going to mark the line so that you know how to differentiate it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure, take the biggest size of my body, which is a hip divided by 4. It will give 12. This is the 12, right? Then I'm going to add extra 4 inches. I hope you can see. This is extra 4 inches. So what I have here, this is 16 inches. I will also mark the 16 inches here. Then I will do the same thing to the down. So I already connect the line together. So I already connect it together. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut it out. I'll follow this line. I will just cut everything out. Then I'm going to remove the back and the front so that you can shape it the neckline of the front. So we are going to cut the facing. So I already removed the back from the front. So this is the front. So I pick one of it inside to do the front. So we are going to cut the facing. So from here to this place, the length of this place is 7 inches, because I'm going to fold it while this place is 3 inches. So I'm just going to follow it like so. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Just stop here. Then I'm going to remove it. I'll just cut it this way, because we are turning it to the front side. We are turning this material to the front side. So this is what I'm using as the facing for the front. So I'm going to bring the facing that I'm attaching to it. So this is what I'm adding to it. So what I'm going to do, this is the back. Please, you should not forget, this is the back, sorry. So the back and the front is going to face each other like this. Make sure that it's aligned. So just follow the line, the V line. You can see how it is. I'm going to sew it this way, sew it this way, then I will turn it to the right side. First of all, I will take it to my machine. I will sew it. Make sure that the back of the cloth, this is the back, and what we are adding to it, the front will face the back, so that when you turn it, this side will face the front. So this is how it's going to look like at the front, you see. So let us check if we are in the right track. So we are going to bring the style. If we're in the right track, this is the style. I hope you can see. So this is how it's going to look like at the front. You see how beautiful it is. The next thing I'm going to do, so this is the belt. If you look at the side, the two sides, you can see the two sides. There's still ashoke at the two sides. I hope you can see. So this will serve at the two sides like so. So we are going to place it two sides like so. I hope you can see. This is how it's going to look like. I hope you can see. There are two sides, this side and this other side. So what I have here, what I cut out is a 3 inches. After folding it the two sides, I have 2.5 inches. Is okay like this. So before I will start, where I'm going to place it, I'm going to measure the distance. So from here, I'm going to measure the distance. I will start from 3.5 inches. So this is the distance. I hope you can see. You are going to start here 3.5 inches from there front for this side. Then I also measure the same 3.5 inches. I'm going to sew it down. I will sew this side, sew this other side, and I also do the same thing to the other side. This is the back. So this is the back of the cloth. Then I'm going to bring the front so that you can see the front, how lovely and beautiful it is. So this is the front. So this is the front. This is the two sides. So you later change that we are not putting bishop collar. We are going to just leave it that way. So the next I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the back. Like I said, this is the back. So while this is the right side for the back, then I will bring the front. Make sure that the right side of the front is facing the right side of the back, like so. Then I'm going to place it like this. The two shoulder, I'm going to sew it. This is the two shoulder. I will sew it with 1/2 inch this side. Then I will also sew this side with 1/2 inch, and then I will turn it to the right side. Alright guys, I already turned it to the wrong side. So the next thing I'm going to do, this is the hand. So I already used hemming gum to hem it. I already use hemming gum to hem it. So this is the hand. I'm going to sew it from here with 1 inch to sew it down. Then the opening is 13 inches for me to open it in the side, the two sides. I measure from here to down 13 inches. So I'm going to sew this side to that place. I'll sew the other side, then I will turn it to the right side. All right guys, we already sewed the two sides. You can see this is the two sides, they're done. So we already sew it. Then I open it to 12 and a half, 13 inches. So I open it just 13 inches. Wide inside, there is a belt inside so that you can snatch the waist. When she put it on, she will use the belt. There's a belt inside. I had belt to it, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So this is the belt, is inside. So this is the front. You can see. Let me arrange it very well. I'm going to use the iron to iron it, so that this place is going to be balanced. So this is how the front is going to look like. You see how beautiful it is. So she later changed her mind. No need for us to put the bishop collar. She said it's preferred like this. You can see how lovely and beautiful it is. Please, this moment, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you find this video helpful, just give it a thumbs up and press the notification bell anytime I upload a new video. And those of you that subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will not forget to release one prayer for you. May God continue to bless you this year of 2026. God will do a greater thing in your life. My name remains Purity Grace. God bless you. Bye.